Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 2 power x power 2 by 4 power x is equals to 16 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 2 power x power 2 by 4 we can write it as 2 square whole power x is equals to 16 we can write it as 2 power 4. Now, according to exponent rule, a power m power n, we can write it as a power mn or a power n power n. So, in denominator, we can write this as 2 power 2x is equals to 2 power 4. Now, another exponent rule, x power m by x power n, we can write x power m minus n. So 2 power x square minus 2x is equals to 2 power 4. We know that if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So x square minus 2x is equals to 4 or x square minus 2x minus 4 is equals to 0. Now it looks like a quadratic equation. So we can use a quadratic formula that is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here, a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is the constant. So let's put all the values. So x is equals to minus 2 plus minus under root minus 2 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 4 by 2 times 1. So x is equals to 2 plus minus under root 4 plus 16 by 2. So x is equals to 2 plus minus under root 20 by 2. So x is equals to 2 plus minus under root 20. We can write this as 2 root 5 by 2. So if I'll take 2 as common from numerator, so 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. So we can cancel out 2 with 2. So the value of x is 1 plus minus root 5. So we have two value of x. First is 1 plus root 5 and second is 1 minus root 5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.